What is up, guys? This is Concordia Jedi Asher. I just wanted to give you guys a short video. I sent my Arbiter in about a week or two ago and had them install the Quick Disconnect option on, so I just want to give you guys a short thing about that. Right now I have in the consular green LED. Very bright, very nice. And with the Quick Disconnect option, you can switch out the LEDs for one of a different color, like this one right here. This is Guardian Blue. So what I'm going to do here is just unscrew this. It's real easy to get them out. Just give it a little tap. And it has these little pins on it that you just press down, pull apart. There's the LED right there. Now we plug in Guardian Blue. Side. Threads lined up. Screw it back in. Now, Guardian Blue. So I sent it in. The whole process by itself cost me, I think, $15 to have them install it, and then I just got another LED for around $30. It's only compatible with certain hilts like the Arbiter, the Bellicose, and the Warblade. So make sure that your saber can, make sure it's adaptable with the modular hilt system, I guess. Alright, that's it. Some new videos coming out later this week. Have a good day. The Force be with you.